Go ahead and flip to page 8 in your book, and today we're going to learn about compass rose. So a compass rose, if you look right here, they show directions on maps. I'm sure you already know some directions. It shows cardinal directions and intermediate directions, and it's going to tell us the difference. So if you see right here, these are compass roses, just like I drew on the previous video. They're essentially just like that, but these are a little bit fancier. So we have a cardinal directions. So cardinal directions are the 4 main points of the compass. So those are north, south, east, and west. They are abbreviated N, S, E, and W. So north would be N, go ahead and write this with me. East would be E, south would be S, and west would be W. The way you can remember that is never eat soggy waffles. So I want you to go ahead and write that right here. Write never eat soggy waffles. And that's how you can remember north, east, south, west, which is when you go this way. North, east, south, west. North, east, south, west. So those are your cardinal directions. And then you have intermediate directions. Intermediate directions are in between the main points of the compass. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. They are abbreviated NE, NW, SE, and SW. So this would be north, and this would be east, but if you're going to travel in that direction, that would be northeast. You can use cardinal directions and intermediate directions to locate places on a map. Cardinal directions help you locate and identify places based on their relative location. Relative location describes where a place is in relation to other places. So, for example, if you say Kentucky is north of Tennessee. So here's Tennessee, here's Kentucky, you would have to travel north. Now for Virginia, that would be like what we talked about here. So Virginia would be northeast of Tennessee. Or you could say Tennessee is southwest of Virginia because you're relating it to Virginia. So Virginia is northeast of Tennessee, but Tennessee is southwest of Virginia. It takes a little bit to get your mind wrapped around there. So we'll go ahead and do the first one together, which I already kind of gave you the answer to. So at the bottom of page 8, it says, use the map and compass rose above to answer the questions. What state is north of Tennessee? So we have quite a few states that are north of Tennessee, but it's asking for the main one because this one is mostly north and it's the biggest one that we can see on this map. So go ahead and write Kentucky there. And then I want you to go ahead and do the rest of these. What direction would you travel to visit North Carolina? So you have to find Tennessee, and you find North Carolina, and then you can look at your compass rose up here, and you can decide which direction you would travel to get to North Carolina. So you can't just say I would travel to the right. You would have to use one of these. So go ahead and answer those questions, and then you will be done with this.